Alright boys, quick tutorial time. I'm gonna show you how to drop the rear subframe on a Nissan 240. So first things first, obviously jack out the car, put the jack stands on, and then take the tires off. I'll take the tires off, throw one underneath. I got two underneath. Third thing, take the exhaust off from back there. I don't know where that is, just take it off. Then you wanna take the driveline off, disconnect it, boom. Next thing you wanna do, take the calipers off. Then you follow the caliper, then you follow e-brake line, I believe it is, back here. Unbolt it all the way up here. You're gonna wanna do that on both sides. It's right there, disconnect it. Boom. Then you wanna take this bolt off, that's right here. There's another bolt, you follow along. You follow this thing, and then boom, another bolt. You wanna take those off. After that, all you gotta do is take, boom, that bolt off, boom, that bolt off, and it should drop. All right, let's get to it. Oh wait, I forgot, coil over, or stock if you're gay. You wanna follow this up, boom, take those off. Remember, both sides. All right, let's drop this thing. They're all broken loose. Now you can get the impact. Put that hole on there, get it in there, and then bolt number one. Some bitch on there, tight, squeeze. This too. Let's go to the other side. Don't forget, jack's still there, holding it in place. Base 3 right there. Come on. There you go, that's 4. And now, it's ready to drop. Just don't forget the calipers aren't hanging on anything. So before you drop it, tie it up with the bungee cord like I did on the other side. I'm gonna do it on this side real quick. I got a bungee cord here. I'm just gonna put the caliper on there, that when it drops, it's not hanging on the brake line. All right, let's do this, boys. All right, once you got the caliper hanging just like that, you go back to the jack stand and lower the bitch. And then when it's not falling, that's because you did something wrong. So I'm gonna try pushing it forward a little bit. Boom, drop the rear subframe. That's simple, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is my fast tutorial on how to drop the rear subframe. Give it a like if you liked the video, and we'll see you next time.